Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you're doing amazing and that you and your families are safe. So a while ago, I put up a story on my Instagram that I'm gonna be doing my dog chooses my makeup videos soon. That soon actually took a while, about a month I would say, but I'm so glad that I finally did this video and that I'm also sharing it with you now. I saw Kaushal and Kathleen Lights do this video a while ago, quite a while ago, and I thought it was super cute, which is where I got the inspiration from. So I showed Simba a couple of products, two options to choose from, and whatever he chose, whatever he booped into basically is what I have on my face right now. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm very happy with this look. So if you want to see what he chose and how I got this makeup look, then please do keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, so I have already prepped my skin with some moisturizer and the Smashbox Photofinish Primer Water, and going into the foundation. So Simba chose this one, which is the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and I'm not even gonna spend too much time talking about this one because I have a whole review right here on YouTube. So go watch that if you haven't already. But I just need to say that if you are someone who likes that dewy, juicy skin, then this one is for you. Taking just about 2 pumps of this one on the back of my hand. And now to blend this foundation in, I am going to be using the Rufa Beauty RB23 brush. So before moving on to concealing my under eyes, I'm actually going to do my eyeshadow first, and for that I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal as my eyeshadow base. I absolutely love this concealer, and I'm sure if you watch a lot of makeup creators, then you must have seen them use this a lot, but it's because it's that good. I'm gonna use my Rufa Beauty RB17 brush to blend it. So now moving on to the eyeshadow, Simba chose the Wet n Wild one. This is the Coloricon eyeshadow palette in my Glamour squad. Again, I have used this so many times and I really love it. I create so many looks with this palette, right from, you know, your everyday simple all matte makeup looks or even glam looks. So Simba chose wisely. So I'm gonna take this large fluffy brush from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection. This is the JH32 brush, and then going in with the lightest shade and blending that into my crease. Quick tip, if you want the colors to pop out even more, then do not set your eyeshadow base with a powder. Just blend your eyeshadow on top and you'll definitely see a difference. Now I'm going in with the JH33 brush and going in with a darker shade. Then I am actually going to do a half cut crease, and as of now I'm thinking of doing like a half matte cut crease and using a glitter liner kind of thing, but let's see how it goes. But for now I'm going to take the JH43 brush, the flat brush, to cut the crease. And after this, I'm gonna go in with this brush again, with which I had applied the dark brown shade, and just go over the edges so that, you know, the cut crease is not too stark. And as you can see, it's now giving that ombre sort of an effect, which is what we really want. And now I'm gonna take the E.l.f. liquid glitter. This is in the shade Flirty Birdy. This is how it looks. So gorgeous, right? And then I'm gonna take this brush that I had from a L'Oreal eyebrow gel pot. So, and then with this brush, I'm just gonna take a little bit on it. Okay, so one eye is done and I'm quickly gonna apply eyeshadow on the other eye, and I also apply some eyeliner and mascara as well, because those two products weren't also anyway part of the products that were showed to Simba to choose, because let's be real, he is so moody, he wouldn't have chosen all of them. And I only showed him 5 products as in 10 products, and then he chose one from each category, right? And that was also spread across, I think, 2 different days, because after a point he was just like, what is this is not a treat, why should I help you? So anyway, I'll be right back. Alright, so eyeshadow is done. I also put on some mascara, eyeliner, did my brows, and also applied concealer. Now the next step is to find the next step. So lame. The next step is to set the under eyes in place, and Simba chose the Maybelline Fit Me for that, and I am gonna take the Plume P23 brush and going to set my under eyes and also the other areas that I concealed. A little goes a really long way with this powder, and it also has a little bit of coverage, so that's always good. Now moving on to the bronzer, I am actually going to take the lightest shade from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and use my Morphe Y11 brush to apply this as a bronzer. This whole palette, and especially this shade, is so blendable that you can easily use this as a bronzer. Alright, so bronzer is done, and I don't know why this area is always where powder products apply a bit patchy, especially the bronzer. I don't know, this is the only area, and no matter what I do, it always is that way. So anyway, I'm gonna ignore that and move on to blush. So Simba chose the K Beauty blush, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild brush, angled brush, to apply it. This is such a gorgeous color and super pigmented, by the way. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold, and using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush to apply it. And then I'm going to take this fan brush to apply the highlighter on the brow bone. And for lipstick, Simba chose the Huda Beauty Demi-Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Révolutionnaire. This formula is so amazing, and I absolutely love this formula. I also use the matte ones, and that's great, but this is just something else. You're gonna see it right now. Alright, so that's it. That's the finished makeup look, and I absolutely love it. I really hope that you do too. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts, and also your thoughts on all the products that Simba chose for this video especially. Don't forget to also like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And do all of those good things, because you know I've got a lot of YouTube videos planned, just so you know. Until next time, bye.